Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I was too lazy to film and even to edit. So here's my new video. I wanted to do this one for a long time, for days I think, for the new Kylie Cosmetic collection. She shared this look on her Instagram and I wanted to recreate it with cheap products. I think the new palette is pretty unique and it was really hard for me to make some dupes. Yeah, I tried many different palettes and I wanted cheap products. I mostly use Morphe cosmetic. I think it's pretty cheap for the quality, you know. Morphe is a really good brand. So I used two Morphe palettes. I think her palette is more shimmery and some colors are really unique, like the green yellowish one. Okay, so let's start with the first look. I used the Morphe 35B palette and the Morphe and Jaclynhill palette. I forgot to show which color I was using, but I chose the darkest green of the Morphe and Jaclynhill palette. This green color is a bit too dark, I think. It was really hard to use it, like it was a pain in the ass. I feel like it was a bit patchy and it's really hot in my country right now. I don't have an air conditioner. Yeah, I was sweaty and the color were sticking on my eyelid, so it was really hard to blend. I wasn't really happy with the result. I feel like it could have been blended way better. I think that the green color is a bit too light and too flashy and too green, and her green is more like glittery and I didn't have any glitter. I decided to add white shimmery color on top of the green color to add a bit of shimmer and a bit of glitter. I struggled with this color because it was too light. Yeah, it didn't show up on my lid, so I had to add a lot of layers, so it was really hard to work with it. Okay, just ignore this part. I was cleaning the mess with the concealer and I think you can still see the green through the concealer because it was a very dark color. And it wasn't really the best idea, but I think I fixed it. But in real life, I wouldn't recommend this technique. Like, you could see the green. And for my lips, I just used Candy K. I didn't try to make a dupe of this lipstick because I'm not really a lipstick person, you know. I prefer to do my eyeshadow. That's it for this look. And I will try another look, but I don't know if I will put fake eyelashes because I struggled for this, and when I will remove this makeup, my eyes will feel terrible, you know. I don't know if I can make, you know, the eyeliner wing because I feel like adding green eyeshadow on top of pink eyeshadow, it will be brown. No? Okay, let's try it. It's like an experiment. I feel like I'm too close to the microphone. I don't like it. I don't know why I cannot blend this pink eyeshadow, and I'm used to use it, like I used it a lot. I don't know why it didn't work this time. I think it's because it was too hot and I was sweaty, like I said before. Okay, so at this moment, you can see in my eyes, I realized that I forgot to put the black eyeliner. I applied my eyeliner and like you can see here, it's all over my eyes, like inside my eyes, and it was burning. It's like I did a makeup tutorial for When the Party is Over music video. I tried to clean up this mess. The green eyeshadow was mixed up with the black eyeshadow, so it was like a dark green. I wasn't happy with the result, like at all. I added some green eyeshadow under my eyes. Kylie has a green pencil on her waterline, but I didn't have it. I wasn't happy with the result, but I thought it would still be nice to share the technique with some of you guys if you are interested. I think that if we ignore this messy eye, the look is not horrible. It's not my fave, but it's not horrible. I will try to do more videos because 2 weeks ago I did like many videos and then I didn't do anything. Tell me what you think about this look. Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. I will link below my other Kylie dupes, and yeah, what do you think about this new collection? Did you buy it? Do you like it?